Hi, Art here, and welcome back to Stem Cell Talks. Just a quick note to update you on an FDA-approved autologous stem cell treatment for cartilage repair. This is how the approved procedure works. The stem cells are recovered from the patient. These cells are then cultured to generate more cells and differentiate into cartilage. The cells are then infused into a 3D scaffold and placed into the knee to repair the cartilage. The treatment not only repairs the cartilage, but will also prevent the development of osteoarthritis that patients would inevitably develop if left untreated. This treatment is targeted to younger patients because younger stem cells are more plentiful and active. This is an example of where regenerative medicine is headed, utilizing the patient's own stem cells to treat a wide range of disease, trauma, and injury. It is also an example of why millions of forward-thinking families choose to bank their stem cells when they are young, active, and plentiful, so they will be available for use in emerging regenerative treatments. That's it for now. Don't forget to like us and to subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.